Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome to the garage. Um Happy St. Patrick's Day. Cheers to you. So, I got all my cameras working, and I've got most of my sound recording equipment all hooked up, and I figured I'd give you just a quick tour on how this stuff works. So what you're looking at now through is well, I'm going to call this camera 1, and over here, way in the back, right here, this is camera 3, which I'll show you how that works in a minute. But this camera swings so it can take video of my mill and my bandsaws, and it actually can swing this way, and it can do my drill presses too, and my table saw. So that's camera 1 and 3, and then camera 2 is right here, and this one here is a movable camera, so I can move this anywhere in the shop that I want and do videos, close-up videos. So anyways, now let me show you how I, just by a push of the button, I can go from camera to camera. If I had another person in here, I wouldn't have to walk over to do it. They would just know that if I'm over here, to switch to camera 3. Or if I'm working at the table and I'm doing a close-up, they would go to camera 2. So the overall, like I said, the most used camera is probably going to be number 1. That's why I call it number 1. So anyhow, so this is camera 1 that's on right now. Now I'm going to switch to camera 3. Camera 3 is, like I said, it's this one here by the table saw. And you see how it switches over, and I can go to the mill. The mill's right here. And then I could bring it down if I wanted to get the bandsaws. So now I'm going to switch over to camera 2. So here's camera 2. Say I'm working on something and I want to do close up where you're seeing how I'm doing it. That's what this camera does. See how I just tilted that down? I can do a real nice close-up if I wanted to by just bringing it in and then refocusing it. So, and then I got a microphone that's right to the left of me, and then I've got the main microphone, which is to the right of me. So the last microphone, let me switch back to the main camera. So what was I talking about? Microphones. So I got a microphone here that's right to the left. I got a microphone to the right, which is right next to this camera. And the only microphone I'm missing now is the one for this part of the room. So I'm going to be putting a microphone over here. So when I'm in this area, I'll be able to talk without moving microphone stuff around. So that's what I've been working on. Oh, and I've got my my soundboards, and I'll take the movable, and show you my sound area. So are you ready to take a ride? All right, let's go for a ride. So that is my sound area. Pretty cool, huh? The one with green bars popping up and down, that's the soundboard for these microphones. And then the one with the knobs next to it, that's for instruments. Like if you want to plug in some guitars or piano or whatever, anything, any instrumental will be plugged in there. Then I've got keyboard, which goes to that laptop. And then I've got another keyboard right here, which goes to my main editing computer. So anyhow, so that's what I've been working on. It don't sound like much, but I had there's a lot of wires involved in this stuff. That's my quick little tour of my new video and sound for Dan's Garage. So again, happy St. Patrick's Day to all. Talk to you later.